Last issue we demonstrated how to use the DT-102 digital theodolite. This issue we will show you how to perform function settings with DT-102 theodolite. Press RL plus the % key on the theodolite display to enter the following interface. The following function settings of the digital theodolite are available. The one here means minute angle display. Press RL key to set 1 second or 5 second. The 360 here means unit of angle. Press V % key to set 360 degree or 400 gone. The position where 0 is displayed indicates the auto power off. Press hold key to change figure in the second line 0, 20, 30 to set auto power off function. Set 0 seconds means no off power. The position where U6 is displayed indicates the vertical angle level 0. Press the O set key to select from UA, UB and UC to set the vertical angle level 0. Next to press the func key to turn the tilt sensor on or off. When tilt sensor is turned on, there will be a CRN display here, which means tilt angle compensation, after completing the settings according to your actual needs. Press RL and V % key at the same time to finish. Next video will demonstrate angle measurement with DT-102 electronic theodolite.
For more exciting contents, welcome to follow our channel Geodex Surveying Technology. Thank you.